Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what are Venmo limit transfers or transfer limits in or short. So right here we are in Venmo Help Center and we want to learn more. So transferring to your bank account, you're going to have actual limits on personal profile bank transfer. So if you have not completed your identification or verification, you can only send up to $1,000 basically per week. And here you can also if you have a confirmed identity, you can transfer up to $20,000 and 5,000 per transfer limit. You'll need to initiate multiple transfer if you want to do more than 5,000, of course. If you're using instant transfer, you'll need at least 0.26 cents or less than 0.25 using instant transfer. So there you go. Those are one of the things. So there's also personal profile payment limits right here. So the payment limits are also different, such as identity verification. You can only have $300 per week, but once you have that, you can also get up to 60,000 per week on Venmo and a combined 7,000 a week on purchases including QR code and checkout online. So Venmo does this so that it will safeguard its users from being scammed by other people who use Venmo without actually using its verification process so that they don't have large transfer volumes between people to people. So there you go, guys. That is the transfer limit for your Venmo, of course. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.